Looking for a versatile kitchen tool that can handle all your blending, whisking, and chopping needs? Look no further than the Mueller Smart Stick 800W. This powerful immersion blender comes with a range of attachments that make it perfect for everything from making smoothies to pureeing soups to chopping nuts and herbs. The Mueller 800W is a hand blender that can be used for blending, mixing, chopping, and whisking. It is designed to make cooking and baking easier and more efficient, especially when dealing with smaller quantities. One of the key features of the Mueller Smart Stick 800W is its powerful motor, which is capable of delivering up to 800 watts of power. This makes it a great choice for blend ingredients such as nuts, ice, and hard vegetables. The blender also comes with a range of attachments, including a whisk, a chopper, and a mixing beaker, which adds to its versatility. In terms of design, the Mueller Smart Stick 800W is sleek and modern, with a stainless steel finish that is both attractive and durable. The hand blender is also lightweight and easy to grip, making it comfortable to use for extended periods of time. Overall, the Mueller Smart Stick 800W is a high-quality hand blender that is well-suited for a range of kitchen tasks. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and sleek design make it a popular choice among home cooks and professional chefs alike. However, as with any product, it's important to consider your individual needs and preferences before making a purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.